Yeah, I'll be working with wedge sew. You can see it. The insole and the lining. So this is the Marco insole. Then here my thread. We'll be working with thread. The carton color will be used on the sew. Then the blue and black will be used on the insole. Then the black, I will use one black. Then use two blue. You can see it size 9. 2 blue, 1 black. Then this carton color, I will use it 3 on the sew. Then this is my shoemaker pin. So I'll be using that to create holes on the sew. My crochet hook size 1. My scissors. So let's go. So I'll be working from that line, from this line now. So I walk straight round the sew. So let's go. You pierce from the sew till the pin comes out on the line. You can see it. So work very careful. Then you give a little space. Just watch my own space. You make another hole. So be careful so that the thing will come out direct from the line. So you can see the spacing. You can see it. So you give another one. Make sure that the space are equal. Equal. You create another hole. You can see it. You give another space and create another hole. Then continue working. So to this point, you can see the line has cut off. So you don't make use of the line anymore. So you crochet from here. You can see it from here. So make sure that the spacing is the same with the one that has line. You can see it. So you crochet from here till it come out from this point. You can see it. You can see it. So the same with the one that has line. Yeah. So continue working. So here, make use of your brain. The same spacing. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. So you continue working till you walk around the sew to this point. You can see it. I'm done. Yes. You can see it. So let's move to crocheting on the sew. I'm using 3 twine thread carton color. So it starts from the back, not from the toe. So you grab the thread, pass it through the hole. That's it. Then you make your knot. Then you make one chain. Tighten it. That's it. Then on the same hole, you make single crochet, pass your crochet hook. That's it. Then grab the thread, pass it on, then make single crochet on the same hole. Then on the same hole again, you make single crochet, you grab it, pass it on the hole, then single crochet. Then on the next stitch, you make single crochet. So on each stitch, we are going to make 4 single crochets on each stitch. That is on each hole of the sew. You make 4 single crochet. This is the third one. Then single crochet. Then the fourth one on the same stitch. Yeah, you can see it. That's it. So you continue working 4 single crochets on each hole, walk round to this point. Yeah, you can see it. That's it. So you're going to make 1 single crochet from the first hole here. From here, make just 1 single crochet. Single crochet. So you're going to make use of this rough thread, this particular one now. So you make a chain with it. That's it. You tighten it, then take it in between the stitches. So you cut it off. Then light it off. Yeah, you can see it. That's it. Yeah. So we start working on the insole together with the lining. So we're making use of 1 black and 2 blue. Make your knot. Then you create hole from the tip of the insole. Can see it. Grab the thread and pass it on. That's it. You make a chain. Then on the same stitch, you make single crochet. Single crochet. The same stitch, make single crochet, another single crochet. That's it. Then give a little space, create another hole. That's it. You make 4 single crochets on each hole you create. 4 single crochets on each hole you create. This is the second one, 2. Then 3. The same stitch. Then 4. So you give another space. another space here, create another hole. You make 4 single crochet, the same stitch, 2, the same stitch, 3, the same stitch, 4. Yeah, you can see it. So you continue working till you go around the insole. So while crocheting, try to arrange your lining on the sew and make it lap on this insole. So arrange it, make it lap on the insole. That's it. Then you continue working. Yeah, you can see it. So you crochet from the first stitch. You crochet again. So you continue until your stitch is very close from the first stitch. Then you crochet from the first stitch. That's it. Then you make a slip stitch. That's it. Wow. You can see the back and the front. So now we are going to fix it on our sew. Fixing the insole together with the sew. So you arrange it very well. Then watch out what I will do. Pass your crochet hook from this first stitch of the insole, then pass through the stitch of the sew. You can see it. Yes, you can see it. Then you single crochet together with the insole. Single crochet. You can see it. From the first stitch of the insole, then together with the stitch of the sew. You can see it. You arrange your insole. Make sure that your insole is well arranged on the sew. Then continue working. 1 stitch of the insole and 1 stitch of the sew. You single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. I see it. So you walk around the sew. Try to arrange your insole. So you walk the last stitch, then crochet from the first stitch, then you make a slip stitch, then cut off. So you take it in on the from the first stitch. So you continue passing it through the holes. Yeah. Then you light it off. Wow, you can see it. Please, if you love this video, subscribe below this video so that you will not miss out on any one of my videos. Please like this video so that YouTube will recommend me to other people. Share to your friends. On my next video, I'm going to teach you how to crochet the upper part, so stay tuned.